what's up guys, my name is M. So today we're installing a long travel kit on a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Come out here real quick, let me show you. So this is a long travel lower control arms for Dirt King. And here's the upper arm we're doing. See how wide it is? And this is a long travel King suspension for the front. And the car is a 4x4, so it comes with axles. So here you can see this is Ballin on a budget, long travel. The wide spacers we're taking off. So now I'm taking out the stabilized bar. For long travel, you don't need it. Loosen up the upper control arms and the spindle. Good? Alright. Alright, so we're going to clean all this upper here and paint it. There you go. Fresh and clean. Steal it. One of the best paint out there. From 35 to 37s. Look at the difference.